Hello folks, hope you're all doing great. This is Sushan with another short tutorial about AdSense and AdSense issues. I will put a link in the description to a playlist which is all related to AdSense, Google AdSense, and how you fix different kinds of issues. In this specific video, we are going to fix this one, earning at risk, and you need to fix some Ads.txt file issue to avoid severe impact on your revenue. When you're connecting your websites, you have to fix this issue. Just click on fix now, and then you need to download the file. I have already downloaded, that is right here. This is the text from AdSense. You need to add it to your website, your main domain, root domain. There are two methods that you can do that. Firstly, you can go to your website. This is my website. Website backend. All you need to do is you can go to plugin. It's a simple way. You can search for a plugin like Ads.txt. There are a lot of plugins here you can install, and you just can copy and paste the text. The second method, this first method is actually simple, but what I recommend is, of course, installing too many plugins on your website will slow down your website. The second method is you need to go to your hosting account. In my case, it's Hostinger, and go to the hosting, click hosting. So from there, I'll also click the one which I have connected to my AdSense account is this one. This is my online store. Just click on manage. What you need to do in here, you can search for file manager. This one, here it is. Click on that. By the way, make sure there is a playlist specifically related to Google AdSense and YouTube. There, all the issues related to the AdSense have been explained, and how to fix different kinds of issues. Alright, in here just click public.html _.html, and it's very simple, not very complicated. The file that you have downloaded, here it is. You can just drag and drop it. Here it is, and drag and drop. Alright, this is the file, ads.txt file. So it is added. In order to confirm that the file is added to your public_html folder, you can go to your website. This is my website, and after the domain, just write ads.txt. You can see this is added to your website, and then you can go back to your AdSense account. This message may take around 24 to 48, sometimes up to 72 hours to disappear. So it's all good. You have added the ads.txt file to your website, and everything gonna be okay. So thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Every now and then I'm uploading tech related videos. I'm sure you're gonna find my content extremely useful, and yeah, have a good time. Bye bye.